In the last part of the introduction video series of 16 drinks for weight loss, we come to the last 4 drinks. We have introduced 12 drinks to you so far. Of course, we will be back again with a series of new solutions for fast weight loss. Well, let's go to the drinks. Cucumber and raspberry smoothie. Raspberries, with their high fiber and manganese content, are an excellent option for those looking for natural ways to lose weight. Raspberry fiber helps to clean the intestines and reduce appetite, while manganese is effective for increasing the body's metabolism and burning fat. Red raspberry contains strong antioxidants and vitamin C. Also, research at Michigan State University shows that raspberry nutrients can help regulate insulin and blood sugar levels, thereby greatly reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Cucumber helps to make you feel full because of its high water content. This property makes the person receive fewer calories and, as a result, helps to lose weight. This fruit not only helps you to feel full but also helps to keep your body hydrated. Ginger increases the body's metabolism. It means that the burning of calories in the body increases and speeds up. It reduces appetite and increases the feeling of fullness, making you eat less. Ginger decreases the absorption of fats from food. To learn more about the properties of ginger, you can watch the related video on the channel. Masala tea. This traditional and aromatic Indian drink is now famous all over the world. A combination of aromatic and rich spices, including spicy ginger, aromatic cardamom, warm cinnamon, cloves energizing black pepper, and ginseng, make this drink a popular choice among health drinkers. The most important properties of Masala tea for weight loss: increase body metabolism, help improve digestion, increase sweating and decrease body fat, eliminate toxins and waste from the body, helping digestive health and preventing constipation, regulating bowel movements and controlling cholesterol and glucose levels. Ginseng is a strong root plant that plays an important role in rapid weight loss. This substance helps in rapid weight loss due to increasing the body's metabolism and metabolism of carbohydrates, reducing water retention in the body, increasing energy, and reducing appetite. American and Chinese have been using ginseng as a medicinal ingredient for centuries. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified about new videos. Coffee. You may have heard many times that coffee has slimming properties, and consuming it before or after training is always popular among many athletes. Natural stimulants such as coffee containing caffeine are safer and have fewer side effects than stimulant drugs. But the question is, what makes coffee an ideal pre-workout option? Caffeine is a substance that accelerates the burning of calories by increasing the body's metabolic rate. Several studies have shown that moderate consumption of coffee can help improve metabolism and thus weight loss. But at the same time, it should be noted that excessive consumption of coffee can have the opposite effect. When you drink coffee, the caffeine enters the bloodstream and increases alertness and energy. Therefore, by drinking coffee before exercise, you can show up with more energy to exercise. On the other hand, coffee helps you burn calories by increasing your metabolism and fat burning, not only during exercise but also after. Therefore, coffee is known as a positive stimulant for exercise and weight loss. Caffeine enters the bloodstream approximately 15 minutes after consuming coffee and exerts its most stimulating effect 40 to 80 minutes later. When caffeine enters the blood system, the body responds with various reactions. Overall, caffeine acts as a stimulant of alertness and energy. Some of these reactions include increased blood pressure and heart rate, breakdown of fat stores, and release of fatty acids into the bloodstream. For this reason, many people feel more energized and prepared by drinking coffee before a workout. Therefore, to make the most of coffee for weight loss, it is recommended to drink coffee before your workouts. In this way, you will burn more fat during and after exercise. Ginger and cinnamon tea. Ginger and cinnamon slimming tea improves digestion and prevents swelling or flatulence. It helps burn more fat by accelerating the metabolism and contains flavonoids that act as a natural blood fat cleaner. By increasing the level of serotonin in the body, which is a neurotransmitter, regulates the feeling of hunger and helps reduce appetite. It has a thermogenic effect, and when consumed, the body temperature increases, and this also helps to burn the accumulated fats. Some of the other properties of this tea are liver detoxification, gallbladder care, improves digestion, strengthening the immune system, fight cold. To learn more about the properties of cinnamon and ginger, there are videos on the channel. If this video were helpful to you, or if you have any recommendations, write for us. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified about new videos.